Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you about how we can decide depth and width of the beam. If you are working on construction site, if you are studying and you don't know about size of beam, so watch this video till the end to know about depth and width of the beam, especially for residential building or commercial building. So I am giving you information from the reference of ACI, American Concrete Institute, in the chapter of 318 and 214. Okay, these are related information which I am discussing in this short video. First of all, guys, if you know about the length of the beam or the span between two columns, suppose this is a beam and these are supports. These are two supports, which means these are columns. Suppose the length between or the span between two columns is 5 meters. So what should be the depth of beam? Guys, you can see in this graph, this is depth. So what should be the depth of beam? And what should be the width of beam? If the span between two columns is 5 meters, so this is column and this one is other column. These are supports. So we have the formula from the reference of ACI, American Concrete Institute, the formula by which you can find the depth of beam, which is here L divided by 16. L means this is the length between two columns. So L is here 5 meters. So L divided by 16. So length is here 5 meters divided by 16. So when you do its calculation, you will get the value 0.31 meters. So this is the depth of beam. So here the depth is required here 0.31 meter, or you can say 310 millimeter, but say normally 300 millimeter. This is the depth of the beam. Okay, by this formula you can find the depth of the beam. If this is 6 meters, so in the length right here 6 meters divided by 16, you can get any value that should be the depth of beam from the reference of ACI. The next one is width. So how you can find the width? So here, guys, let me write here width of beam. So here depth D divided by 1.5, where D is depth of the beam. So you can find the width of the beam from the depth of the beam divided by 1.5. So let me put the value here 0.31 meter divided by 1.5. So you will get the value here 0.20 meters. So this is the width of the beam. So you can say here that the width of the beam is required 0.20 meter, or say 200 millimeter. This is the width of the beam. Okay, so guys, this is the formula by which you can find depth and width of the beam. But remember, guys, if you are going more than 5 meters, if that is residential building or commercial building, so don't use less than M20 grade concrete. M20 grade concrete ratio is 1:1.5:3, where one part is cement, 1.5 parts are sand, and 3 parts are aggregate. Okay, so inside how many steel is required? So in other video I will guide you, but minimum used 12 millimeter die of steel rod. But how many numbers you can use in tension zone, also in compression zone? So in next video I will guide you specially for this topic. Hope this short video can help you to know about depth and width of the beam for commercial building or residential building. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.